What's up, beautiful world? I want to welcome you to my new YouTube channel, Shy Girl Sharp. And today I'm going to share one of my keto meals that I make. It's my version of keto pizza, okay? And I'm on dirty keto right now. So I want to give you a little background before I begin. Last year around this time, I started on dirty keto and I lost 40 pounds in less than 3 months. And then the holidays rolled around and I pretty much fell off the wagon. So now summer is approaching and I want to restart keto because I had really good results. I actually lost the weight. I decided I'm going to go ahead and document it and share my keto experience with you. I'll share my meals, I'll share how much weight I'm losing, all that good stuff. But today I'm going to focus on making this keto pizza because I'm starting. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? I'm going to share the ingredients. I'm using Carb Balance by Mission tortilla, some shredded cheese, and then we're using this ragu sauce. It's Marinera sauce. It's really, really good, and it's keto friendly. Pepperoni slices, cilantro, sliced cheese, which is mozzarella cheese, and then any type of herbs that you like in seasonings. I like salt, pepper, parsley, and cilantro. I think I already said cilantro. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out. So the sauce, as I mentioned before, is ragu sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But I use about 1/3 cup. Okay. I'm just going to spread it out. And this is pretty quick to make. Like if you're starving and you don't feel like, making, asparagus and salmon, which they're quick too, but this is really, really quick to make. Okay. So we're going to spread out the sauce real good, like you do a regular traditional pizza. Then we're going to add the shredded cheese. I'm using Mexican corn cheese, but you can use any cheese you want. And I don't put a lot of cheese. Like I know a lot of people love cheese on their pizza. I love cheese, but not a whole bunch. So I just put about maybe 2 handfuls, if that. Then I'm going to add my meats. You can put any toppings you want. I'm choosing pepperoni and sausage. I love Italian sausage. I love the link sausage. You can put chicken. You can put, if you like seafood, you can put shrimp. Whatever you want. It's your pizza. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put 8 slices of pepperoni. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on my sausage. These were already cut. I bought them in a bag that were already, pre-cut. So that makes it, so much easier. And then my favorite herb, which is cilantro. I love cilantro. So I don't have my food scissors, so I'm just gonna cut it up with my fingers and then just spread it around the pizza. It's looking good. I'm hungry too. So. And then I'm going to add a little slice of mozzarella sliced cheese. I'm just going to put it on top, just like that. And then I'm going to add my herbs and spices. So I'm going to use some Himalayan salt, which is really good on keto. Okay. And some black pepper. You don't want to use too much. If you're grinding your pepper, you don't want to use too much because you will be sneezing all day. And some parsley. This is the dried parsley that I keep in my refrigerator. It makes it so much easier than trying to cut it up. So that's pretty much it. And then anything else that you want to add on your pizza, you can go ahead and add. I already preheated the oven to 405 and we're going to let it bake for 6 minutes. It's pretty fast, pretty quick, okay? And then Sometimes, if I want it a little bit more crisp, I will, after 6 minutes, I will change the oven to broil, and then I will let it bake for another, 1 minute or so. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes, and now the pizza is ready. So we're just gonna cut it with a pizza cutter. Slice it in 4s, or however you want. I like to use mine in 4s. Mine is nice and crispy and flaky. I will post the ingredients below in the description box. So it's very, very hot right now. So I'm just going to put these on the plate. 1, 2, 3, starving, and 4. Like I said, this is my version of pizza, keto pizza. It's a really quick meal for me to eat, and it fills me up while I'm on keto. And if you have any questions or concerns, just leave your comments in the comment box below. Please remember to like, click subscribe, and ring the bell so that way you're notified of future videos of mine. And again, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, Shy Girl Shy, and I'm about to eat.